Hi guys, today I'm going to do an experiment. Learning task number 2, application of heat. In this activity, I will investigate what will happen to materials when they are heated. And I will be needing the following. First candle, second spoon, third rug. I will also be needing a lighter. But always remember, every time you use a lighter, make sure to ask help or guidance from your parents. And be careful! Since I don't have any crayons, I will be using a piece of candle. First, you have to light a candle. And then we're going to crush this candle and put it into the spoon. Okay, now the candle is crushed. I'm gonna put it on the spoon. Don't forget to use the rug while holding the spoon so you don't get burned. Now let's put the spoon on the top of the candle light. Now while we're heating it, let's see what happens. Wow, look guys, the solid candle is becoming a liquid. It's amazing! Now next step, after the candle turned into liquid, we're gonna let it cool. Let's put off the candle. And let's wait for the liquid candle to cool down for 2 to 3 minutes. Now time to answer the guide question. What are the properties of crayon and candle before the material are heated? The property of candle is solid. Number 2. What happened to the material when they are heated? After being heated, the solid material became liquid. Question number 3. What change took place? Change was solid to liquid. Question 4. Describe the changes that happened in the materials when they are heated. The material, when they are heated, it melts. Question number 5. What change in phase happened when crayons and candle are heated? The phase is called solid to liquid. Question number 6. Describe the changes that happened in the material when they cooled after 3 to 5 minutes. From my observation, after cooling it for 2 to 3 minutes, the liquid candle became solid. Question number 7. What change in phase happened when the crayons and candle melted? The phase changed from solid to liquid. Question number 8. Are there new products formed after each change? Still the same candle, but it just changes its shape. Question number 12. What change in the material happened after letting the material stand in 2 minutes? It became solid. Question number 13. What do you call this process that happened in crayons and candle where its liquid phase turned into solid? And that's what we call solidifying. Question number 14. What caused this change in the materials? Is there any new materials formed? The heat from the candle caused the melting. It's still the same candle, just changed into a different shape. Question number 15. Draw your observation in the box. Thank you so much for watching. Till our next experiment, this is Ashton, Khai, Viloria.